how to edit and change your bio on Squarespace, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit and change your bio on Squarespace. First, open your browser and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and once you're here, click account settings, and now just scroll down, and here we'll find bio. Now just type here anything you want, and that's it. And after that, just click save, and if you want to change it, just come back here and click on it, delete it, and then type here anything you want, and then click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.